Take a close look at your nose right now. Do you see those tiny, darkened dots just sitting there, no matter how much you wash your face? Yeah, we've all been there. And if you've ever squeezed them, stared at them in the mirror for 20 minutes, or tried every strip on the market, this video was made for you. So here's what's actually happening under your skin. Your pores produce something called sebum, a natural oil that keeps your skin healthy. But when that sebum mixes with dead skin cells and gets exposed to air, it oxidizes. It turns dark. And that's exactly what a blackhead is. It's not dirt. It's not something you can just scrub away. In fact, harsh scrubbing can make it so much worse. It can inflame your skin, stretch your pores, and even cause more breakouts. The real solution? Deep pore cleansing, done gently, consistently, and with the right ingredients. And that is exactly what Korean skincare has mastered. Today, I'm going to walk you through a full ASMR blackhead removal and deep pore cleansing routine, step by step, inspired by Korean skincare philosophy. This is the same routine that helped me go from congested, dull skin to something that actually feels close to that dreamy glass skin effect. No aggressive tools, no painful pore strips. Just skin-loving products, the right techniques, and a little bit of patience. Stay with me, your pores are going to thank you. Step 1, double cleanse with oil cleanser. Step 1, and this is non-negotiable if you wear any SPF or makeup, is the oil cleanse. Pick up a gentle cleansing oil or a micellar balm. Apply it to dry skin, no water yet. Use your fingertips to work it in slow, gentle circles all over your face. Spend extra time on your nose, chin, and forehead, anywhere you tend to get blackheads or congestion. This step dissolves the oil-based debris sitting in your pores. Think of it like calling the blackheads out before the real deep cleanse begins. After about 60 seconds of massaging, emulsify with a little water and rinse off. You'll notice the water turns milky. That means it's working. Step 2, foam cleanser, water-based cleanser. Now for step 2, your water-based foam cleanser. Pump a small amount onto damp hands and work it into a rich foam before touching your face. Korean skincare is all about the foam. The more you aerate it, the gentler and more effective the cleanse. Apply it in soft upward motions, never drag the skin downward. Spend 30 seconds on the nose and chin area. Let the foam do the heavy lifting. Rinse with lukewarm water. Not hot, never hot. Hot water strips your skin barrier and actually stimulates more sebum production, making blackheads worse over time. Step 3 optional. Exfoliate, 1-2x per week. Now, here's where it gets good, and this is your weekly deep pore cleansing boost. 1 to 2 times per week after your foam cleanse, reach for a BHA exfoliant, like a salicylic acid toner or a low pH exfoliating pad. BHA or beta-hydroxy acid is oil-soluble. That means it can actually travel into your pores and dissolve the buildup from the inside. It's one of the most researched ingredients for blackhead removal and pimple care. Apply it gently using a cotton pad or your clean fingertips. Swipe slowly across the nose, chin, and forehead. Leave it on for the specified time, usually 5 to 10 minutes. Don't rinse it off unless the product says to. Let it work. Step 4, clay mask, 1-2x per week, spa-like treatment. If you really want to level up your deep pore cleansing routine, a clay mask is your best friend. Korean skincare brands do these beautifully. Look for masks with kaolin or bentonite clay, and ideally ones that include niacinamide or green tea extract for added soothing and pore tightening benefits. Scoop out a small amount and apply a thin, even layer over the nose, chin, and forehead, the T-zone where blackheads love to hide. Let it dry for 10 to 15 minutes. I remember the first time I used a clay mask consistently for a month. I genuinely stared in the mirror afterward thinking, wait, are my pores actually smaller? They weren't smaller exactly, but they were so much cleaner and less noticeable. It felt like a reset. Rinse off gently with cool water and a soft muslin cloth. Never peel or scrub. Step 5, BHA niacinamide toner. After cleansing and masking, your skin is perfectly prepped to absorb actives. This is when you layer in your BHA toner or a niacinamide toner, one of the most beloved ingredients in Korean skincare right now. Niacinamide minimizes the look of pores, controls sebum production, and helps fade any post-blackhead marks or hyperpigmentation. Pour a small amount onto your palm and gently, press it into your skin. No rubbing, just slow, deliberate pats. This patting technique from Korean skincare helps drive the product deeper and boost circulation slightly for that healthy, lit-from-within glow. Start at the cheeks, move to the forehead, and then focus extra pats on the nose and chin. Step 6. Essence or hydrating serum. Here's the step most people skip, and it's the one that transforms the whole routine. After your actives, your skin needs deep hydration to balance and heal. Reach for a hydrating essence or a serum with hyaluronic acid and Centella asiatica, both deeply soothing for skin that's been working through a deep cleansing routine. Apply 2 to 3 drops and press, not rub, into the skin with warm palms. This seals in moisture, calms any inflammation, and starts building that glass skin foundation from the inside out. Korean skincare isn't just about removing things, it's about restoring balance. This step is where that happens. Step 7, lightweight moisturizer. Lock everything in with a lightweight, non-comedogenic moisturizer. If you have oily or acne-prone skin, go for a gel cream formula. Something that hydrates without clogging your pores. Look for ingredients like green tea, aloe vera, or ceramides. Apply in gentle upward sweeping motions. Feel that sink-in moment, that's your skin barrier saying thank you. And in the morning, always finish with SPF. Sun exposure worsens post-blackhead marks, makes pores more visible, and undoes all the work your BHA and clay mask just did. SPF is non-negotiable. Step 8. Boosts. And here's a completely optional but deeply satisfying addition to your weekly routine: facial steaming. Steaming softens the skin around the pores, making your BHA exfoliant and clay mask work even more effectively afterward. Use a facial steamer or simply drape a towel over a bowl of warm, not boiling, water and let the steam do its thing for 5 to 7 minutes. If you're anything like me, this is the moment the whole routine starts feeling less like a chore and more like a spa ritual. Put on some music, breathe deeply, and just let your skin soften. Please note, do not steam if your skin is actively broken out or sensitized. For reactive skin, skip this step and let your BHA toner do the work instead. Results and tips: so what can you actually expect from this routine? Within the first 1 to 2 weeks, you'll likely notice your skin feels more balanced, less oily at midday, softer after cleansing, and that tight, stripped feeling disappears. Around weeks 3 to 4, with consistent use, your blackheads will start to soften and lift on their own. The clay mask and BHA are working together to clear the congestion without force. By 6 to 8 weeks, the visible difference in your pore appearance can be significant. They won't disappear. Pores are permanent, beautiful, and normal, but they'll look cleaner, smaller, and less pronounced. A few things I beg you not to do. Please stop squeezing your blackheads with your fingers. I know it's satisfying in the moment, trust me I know, but it pushes bacteria deeper, causes scarring, and enlarges the pore permanently. It's just not worth it. Avoid harsh physical scrubs with sharp particles on the nose. They cause microtears in the skin and worsen congestion long term. And never layer multiple strong acids in one session when you're starting out. Pick one active, BHA or clay, and let your skin adapt over 2 to 3 weeks before adding more. Consistency is the secret, not perfection, not every single step every day. Just showing up for your skin gently week after week. Thank you for watching.